All right, what's going on, guys? So today we're putting or connecting a Tushy. If you know what a Tushy is, it's like a bidet. You just add it to your regular toilet. So I've already drained. All right, next step, toilet seat is removed. Now to add the Tushy. Here we go. All right, next, disconnecting the hose from the tank there and the water line. And we're connecting the Tushy line here. And there you have it. Now it's connected. Water line connected. Now to test it and see that there's no leak. Let's see. Alright. So far so good. No water leaking. Toilet is filling up. Show you what it looks like. Alright, so giving it a test. Let's see. It's spraying down. Alright, so we gotta give it a test. Here we go.